Gloves for effective burn protection. Protection against burns that you might receive from the act of grilling is not something that you should take for granted, and you should certainly not think that you are going to be alright with just any old tool to help you. You have to look to the possibilities that you might get seriously hurt if there is a major incident regarding hot coals, some of which have been shown to be permanent in their effects. This is why, apart from the conventional methods of avoiding the pain from grill fire, grill gloves deserve a spot in the lineup of protective tools. Gloves to protect effectively. Now, for those who are wondering if the gloves are going to be any more of a preferable medium of protection against the harmful effects of getting blister from touching hot grills, just look at the other options that you have. There are those forks with the very long handles, as well as spatulas and clamps that have been around for quite some time, and the one thing that they all have in common that a pair of fireproof gloves are superior against is that they are all pretty clumsy. Of course, shorter versions of the things might provide less of an obstacle as to the handling of the tools, but that would mean that your hands would be nearer to the fire, which would then mean that the possibility of getting burned would increase by quite a lot. This is where gloves that are incredibly resistant to heat come in, since you would then have the option to use shorter versions of the tools used for grilling without worrying about whether or not you are going to come out of it unscathed. Then there is the matter of how your food is going to look, since clumsy handling will logically lead to misshapen or completely ruined eating items. This does not need much explaining, therefore, in terms of the effects it will have on the grilling experience of those who are going to be eating the food, since it would likely not be anything pleasant. So to sum it all up, what you get by using gloves that are especially made for grilling is the whole deal, with protection and an excellent cooking ability being the results. The latter is dependent on how good of a cook you are, of course, but the gloves will at least ensure that you do not get worse.